Compliance Kitchen. This is Sylvia, and we have a new public comment window. So let's take a look at what the government is soliciting comments on. And this is in regards to climate-related financial risks in the insurance sector. So on August 31st, the Treasury Department announced that in response to President Biden's May 2021 executive order on climate change, the Federal Insurance Office, or FIO, is requesting information and soliciting public comment on the insurance sector and climate-related financial risks. I have a link to the publication in the Federal Register on compliancekitchen.com and also a link to the Treasury Department's announcement. But in more detail, just briefly, the press release explains that the FIO's, or the Federal Insurance Office's, efforts will focus on three initial climate-related priorities. The first one being assessment of climate-related issues or gaps in the supervision and regulation of insurers, including their potential impacts on U.S. financial stability. The second point is assessing the potential for major disruptions of private insurance coverage in U.S. markets that are particularly vulnerable to climate change impacts, as well as facilitating mitigation and resilience for disasters. And the last point is increasing the FIO's engagement on climate-related issues and leveraging the insurance sector's ability to help achieve climate-related goals. The FIO, again, is the Federal Insurance Office. I have a link in the post on Compliance Kitchen to their site if you guys want to learn more about this office. The responses to the request for information will help inform the FIO assessment of the implications of climate-related financial risks for the insurance sector. And as Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen explained, over the past 30 years, the incidence of natural disasters has dramatically increased, and the actual and future potential cost to the economy has skyrocketed. We are now in a situation where climate change is an existential risk to our future economy and way of life, and this filing in the Federal Register opening this comment period is an important step towards assessing climate-related risks in the insurance sector. So comments on this must be received within 75 days of the publication in the Federal Register, and clicking on the link here on my post, it looks like the notice was published on 8/31. So you can go in and add your comments.